Hello Internet, welcome to Jamiljiral. I am Jamil Silva, and in this episode I'm going to show you how you can personalize this ring in a camera Sony RX100 Mark III. Well, Sony's menu system is notorious for being very messy and difficult to find, and this time to personalize this ring, it was a little bit hidden compared to the Mark II, and I'm going to show how you can change that if you are having problems in finding where. When we compare the Mark III to the Mark II, it was quite different, because in the Mark II it was easier to personalize this ring. I like to personalize this ring, and in the way that I can zoom. I like to use this to zoom while I am taking pictures, so it doesn't come like that. So first of all, I'd like to show you how it was in Mark II, and then I'll show you how it was, now it is in Mark III. It's quite simple. Let's turn on the camera. Okay, it's very simple in Mark II. You just press menu. You're gonna look for this part here where it's the symbol of a tool, of a bolt or something. We are here. Now let's look for, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 main options. Let's go to option number 2 and option number 3. No, it's not number 2. I found it's in option number 2, which is called control ring, and I'll press here in the middle of this button, and then I have zoom. I can, of course, I can choose other options, but I chose here zoom for the Mark II, and once I press menu, I will get out of the system. And as you can see, it was very simple. Now let's move on to the Sony RX100 Mark III and see how we can personalize this zoom ring, or this ring. I call this zoom, but actually it's not a zoom. You can personalize in the way you want. Well, first of all, let's turn on the camera and let's press menu again. The same way, let's look for the option that looks like a tool or something, and let's see the option control key setting. I press here in this button, in the middle of this button, and here control ring. This is what I want to do, because it's hidden in this. Let me come back here. Let's press menu again and come back here. It's hidden in a subfolder called custom key settings. Then I have to press menu to have all the options. I can personalize other things. And now I'm going to show you the control ring zoom. I will press here in the middle, and I will have other options. If I don't want it to zoom, I can choose something else. In my case, I have chosen zoom. I press here in the middle, and I will press menu to get out of here, and then it's done. Now I can use this ring to personalize. I personalize it to zoom. I think it's easier to use this option. And this camera, you can zoom from 24 millimeters to 70 millimeters. Then I think it's easier using the ring than the other button. We have a button for that, but I think it's quite strange. It feels weird to zoom using this button. I think it feels more professional, or maybe the way we do in the other cameras. That's why I like when I zoom using this option. And so this is it for now, for this episode. And I hope you have enjoyed this. And I hope this episode was very helpful to you. And I hope to see you very soon in our future episodes. Maybe you like the channel. If you want to follow me, and you can subscribe to the channel and maybe like this video. And see you. Bye bye.